Garden roses and bunny tails, perfect for spring. Let's get started. The materials and mechanics, starting with the fabulous Effie garden rose. Ordered these from gardenrosesdirect.com, and look how beautiful. They open with a high petal count. It's sort of peachy center, but yet a little bit of a yellow vibe and cream. Perfect for Easter. The container, wooden box, bleached, plastic liner, floral netting taped in, and then fresh water already mixed with flower food. First, a nest of foliage, tucking it in to support all the flowers, some salal, a bit of Israeli ruscus, you can even divide it down, do it in parts so that you get full value from the entire stem. And a bit of Italian ruscus. It's so long, but it works well to place in, wind around, and then secure it into the wire. The Effie rose is so incredibly long-lasting. It's perfect for everyday designs, just adding that touch of luxury to all your arrangements, tucking it in low so it's in the water, and radiating out from that central binding point, circling all the way around to create full and lush luxury. To add a bit of spring, starting with a pre-made nest, using a taped wire. Thank you to the students in school who learned to tape wire, because I have lots of pre-taped wire to work with. Pulling it down, twisting it, then giving it a cut, and setting it down into the center, nestling it into the foliage, then quail eggs blown, just set right in so we don't have an empty nest. To add a little bit of color, some beautiful preserved and dried materials from florabundance.com. Cutting it apart, and then using it in bits where you can scatter it around, picking up the color from the interior of the roses. If it's a little too short, add a pick. And then a few bunny tails to add just a little bit of whimsy, a delicate touch. Lining them up in my fingers, giving it a cut, adding a pick to keep it together, and then tucking it in. The recipe, 10 of the Effie roses from gardenrosesdirect.com. A bit of salal, a bit of Italian ruscus, a bit of Israeli ruscus. Then the dried and preserved ruscus from Florabundance, bunny tails from Florabundance, a nest for my shelf, and the blown out quail eggs. As a florist, spring is such a fabulous time. So many flowers, so many gorgeous roses. You'll find more creative inspiration for the season on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. What are you going to create for spring? Take a picture, post on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.